Guys, yan guys, pwede yung titigan, pero bawal yung pwede yung titigan guys yung ating mga discounted dyan sa taas. Yan, if you buy to get 10% discount po, naka-bold na po yan para mas makita nyo guys. Yan. Buy 3, get 15 pesos discount po natin. 15% discount po natin guys, kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? If kayo po ay mga bago dito guys, new customer, you will get at least 20 pesos po. And kapag nanood po sa ating live stream guys for 3 minutes, you will get at least 30 pesos off po. And guys, kapag 90 pesos na naman po, you will see sa ating yellow basket din guys, you will get this one po, 90 pesos. Okay guys, come on. Kuya 7, wala pa pong 70. Kulang na lang po tayo ng, guys, 5 items sold na lang po. Yan. 5 items sold na lang po need natin guys. Come on. 5 items sold na lang po tayo. For 10 seconds. Ay, 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes na lang po tayo guys. Pag-end po tayo. We need at least 5 items sold. Yan. 5 items sold na lang guys. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Ang bibilis nyo pagdating sa brief ha. Come on guys. Kulang na lang po tayo ng 5 items sold. Magbibrief po tayo. Ito guys, so yung suit kong brief guys, this one, is basket number 3. Ayan. Basket number 3 guys, yung suit kong brief para mas makita nyo po. This one. 5 items sold na lang guys, come on. Ito guys, basket number 3 po to, yung suit ko. For you to able to see it, sir, come on. Iba yun na. Yan guys, come on. This one po, basket number 3. Yan. For basket number 3 natin guys, susuot ko ngayon. We need at least, come on guys. 5 items sold na lang guys, come on. O, flex po basket number 10. Yan. For basket number 10 po natin, this one, sir. Para kay sir na nagpa-flex, yan. Boxer, men's hipster brief po natin. Ang ating men's hipster brief po, yan. Yan, this one. Wala po tayong actual sample here, this one. Men's hipster brief po natin. This one, sir, is made of cotton material siya. Elastan din po siya, as you can see. Yan, this one, guys. For only 178 pesos na lang po to. 178 pesos na lang. Guys, 65 pa lang eh. 65 pa lang. Ayan. Okay guys, last 4 na lang. Last 4. Last 4 na lang guys. Come on. Last 4 items sold na lang po. Last 4 items sold na lang guys. Come on. We need at least last 4 items sold. Yan. Para po ma-reach natin 70. Palaki ng konti. Yan guys, come on. Last 4 items sold na lang po. Yung suot ko po guys, this one, yung basket number. Yan guys, this one. Yung suot ko po ngayon napapakita sa inyo ha. Basket number na to. Ayan. Basket number. Ayan, wait lang guys ha. Yan, this one. Basket number 3, yan. Sa naghahanap po, yan. Yung suot ko po ngayon yan guys ha, yan ha. This one. Yung suot ko po ngayon yan. Basket number 3 to. Ito po yung ipapakita ko sa inyo. After ko guys. Yan. After we reach po at least. Yan guys. Kulang na lang guys ng 3 na lang. Yan guys. 3 na lang. 3 na lang guys. Kailangan natin para po mag-brief tayo. Yan. 3 na lang guys. Come on. 3 na lang po. 3 items sold na lang guys. Papakita po natin yung ating men's 3-in-1 classic brief po na suot natin. Okay guys, ipiplex ko muna siya. Sa lahat naghahanap po ng men's classic brief po natin, this one po is highly recommended for you. Bakit po? Ito po yung pinaka-favorite ko. Kasi guys, this one is have a keyhole. Yan. Ano nga ba yung keyhole, guys? I will explain for you for a short. Yan. This one, guys, every time po na nag-CR tayo, guys, baba, taas po natin yung ating mga brief. Nagiging sanhi po ng pagkaluwag ng ating mga garter. Kaya, guys, this one comes with a keyhole for you to easily do your business. Ayan, guys. All you have to do is to grab this one at ilabas nyo lang dito, guys. Yan, napakadali lang po. Ilalabas nyo ng ganyan, guys. Madali nyo lang gagawa yung kanyang mga business. Okay? Okay, guys. As of now, guys, come on. 2 items sold na lang. 2 items sold na lang, guys. We need at least 2 items sold na lang, guys. Come on. Guys, kitang-kita ko dito. 2 items sold na lang. O yan, guys. 1 item sold na lang po, guys. Come on. 1 item sold na lang, guys. 1 item sold na lang, guys. Come on. Wait lang, guys. Ayusin ko lang. 1 item sold. Alam ko naman ma-reach natin to eh. 1 item sold na lang, guys. Come on. One item sold, guys. Guys, pagbigyan nyo na ako, palambing ako. Ayan, guys, yung suot ko, this one. Para mas makita nyo, basket number 3 po yan. For basket number 3, 1 item sold na lang, guys. Come on. Eto na, guys. One item sold na lang po. Yan, 1 item sold na lang, guys, para po ma-reach natin yung ating goal, 70, yan. Guys, come on, come on. Pa-shoutout po kay Christine, yan. Kada kay Luis Calopez, yan, done checkout po. Ayan, guys, come on. 4 p.m. na, yan, guys. Okay? Ayan, guys, 4 last specs po natin for basket number 5. For basket number 5 natin, guys, this one. Sa lahat po na naghahanap ng men's hipster brief po natin. This one, guys, here ating men's 3-in-1 hipster brief po. Napaka-stretchable na siya, guys, at the same time. Yan. Sa lahat po naghahanap ng men's 3-in-1 hipster brief, cotton material na siya, napaka-stretchable. Yan. Ang ganda nito, guys, as in, for only 297 pesos po. 297. Okay, guys, na-reach na po natin yung ating goal. As of now, eto na po. Hi, Miss Krisha. Hi, welcome po sa ating live. Para kay ANN Knowledge Shop Center. Yan, yan, yan. Guys, eto na. Ma-reach na po natin yung goal natin. As of now, na-reach na po natin yung goal natin. Mag-brief na po tayo. Okay, guys, ha? Wait lang, guys. Wait lang. Ayusin ko lang, guys. Ayusin ko lang. Kalma lang tayo, guys. Bigyan nyo naman ako, guys, na no. At least, guys, 700k likes po. Kaya po natin. Guys, naka-blip na ako. Naka-blip na ako ngayon, guys. 700 likes po. As of now, meron po lang tayong 400. Give me at least 700 likes po. For you to able to see it po, guys. Come on. Kayang-kaya natin to, guys. Kayang-kaya natin to. Alam ko, guys, hindi nyo ako bibiguin. Kaya, guys, kayang-kaya natin to. For you to able to see it po yung aking brief. I-flex ko sa inyo. Yan. Kaya lang, guys, ha. Inaayos ko lang for you to able to see it po yung mas maganda. Yung ating brief. Okay? Wait lang, guys, ha. Wait lang talaga. Wait lang, guys. Eto na, guys, this one. Sukatin ko na po siya, okay? Saglit lang po tayo, teka lang. Eto na, guys. Sukatin ko lang, guys, ha. Ising ko lang. Eto na, guys. Give me naman full likes dyan, guys, oh. We need that list po. Ayan. We need to reach po mismo yung likes natin. Give me likes, guys. Come on. Likes naman po guys, so at least 700 likes. 700 likes na ba guys? Di ba nyo? As of now guys, meron na tayong 542 pa lang. 542 pa lang po yung likes natin guys. Come on. Eto na guys, I'm back. This one guys, come on. Okay na guys, suot ko na po yung ating brief. Yan, this one. Power tap tayo guys, give me at least 700 po. 700 guys, 700 po. Come on, power tap tayo. Eto na guys, come on. This one na. Okay guys, full table seat po. Yan, come on. Eto na guys, come on. Papakita ko na sa inyo. Papakita ko na sa inyo guys. Na-reach po na po natin. Likes, yan. Eto na guys, inayos lang natin. 684 na po. 600, ayan guys, 700 na ba? Yan. Inayos ko lang yung gilid guys, come on. Panalo kahit walang taya. Panalo ka talaga dito, syempre naman. Sin. Okay guys, for 10 seconds po. Okay. 700 na for 10 seconds guys. Come on. This one. 3, 2. Guys, 3, 2, 1. Yan. Papakita ko na po sa inyo. 3, 2, 1. Ayan guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yan, thank you so much po sa lahat ng mga nag-checkout guys. May pa-V-line pa tayo guys. For you able to see it po, yung V-line natin. Ayan guys, yan. Yung V-line natin guys, kaloka mga songs. Napaganda nito guys. Again guys, it's being your host sa TikTok